450 029, shortly depart Guildford for Farnham via Aldershot. This one's the 13:53 departure. Just a few more trains now. When that's done, we'll call it done. I'll do another 20 minutes past as well, actually, so we can hear the doors shutting loudly. Because after all, these turbos are pain in the bums. Yeah, yeah. And then we'll get the 3 minutes past or whatever going to. I was wondering if we're ever going to see that weird suspicious one like that. White Guildford for no fucking reason like that. You know what? He should really understand better. Just the last few more trees now. Besides, I need to get those tickets ready for the trip to Farnham. That trip to Gabon on Saturday coming up. Because I'm going to Gabon for another fake visit. Just to keep myself busy there, really. I thought there was some foreground road. What's that bloodstain? Yeah, I wish I did keep me on that day though. I'll never forget that every day when that.
The Guildford Park Road entrance will be closed from the
25th
of May until the 5th of June. For more information, please visit networkrail.co.uk/Guildford. Thank you.
There you go, a couple more Farnham bound trains. I find it ridiculous I didn't do.
Our new timetable starts at Sunday the 6th.